Imagine waking up with no water and failing crops. This is happening in Pakistan because of global warming. Let's hear from the young people who are deeply concerned about the issue.
Hello, it's Ima Nasir, a fourth year medical student at Dow University. One of the most consequential effect of pollution on Karachi is heat stroke. So at least 65 people died in 2018 in just 3 days due to heat stroke. One of the ways we can decrease this condition is by increasing our green spaces, by switching over to sustainable transportation and renewable energy sources.
Hi, my name is Jaina Jafri. I'm a fourth year medical student at Dow Medical College. Climate change is affecting our lives variously, and one of the major issues which we cannot discuss is the increasing range of vector-borne diseases. So, what are vector-borne diseases? Vector-borne diseases are caused by, they are transmitted by a mosquito or an insect or any kind of animals. For example, हमारी community में सबसे ज़्यादा common is malaria and dengue. So these are major concerns for healthcare, especially in Pakistan. One of the solutions can be to control the spread of these diseases by destroying their breeding grounds. We can do this by draining stagnant water like rain puddles and.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Aziz. I'm a fourth semester computer engineering student, and in my opinion, the biggest factor to climate change is the amount of waste in across the board, wasting energy, wasting food, resources, wasting water. Because when we waste something, there's like a whole industry behind it. We have to produce it, transport it, and everything else. So the more we waste, the more it contributes to climate change. So, in my opinion, the solution would be to reduce waste wherever we can, as much as we can. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं दावर हाशमी, कंपेयर एट रेडियो पाकिस्तान। और इन्वायरमेंटल इशू के बारे में मैं ये बात करना चाहूँगा कि माहौलियाती तब्दीली एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है पूरी दुनिया में। और सबसे बड़ा इशू ये आता है कि जो दरख्तों की कटाई है, जो ग्रीनरी हम कम कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमने ये देखना है कि जितने सैलाब हैं, नुकसान की अगर हम बात करें तो सैलाब जितने भी हैं वो दरख्तों की कटाई की वजह से ज़्यादा पैदा हो रहे हैं, ख़ासतौर पे पहाड़ी इलाकों में। तो कोशिश ये हमें करनी चाहिए कि जितने भी आप कोशिश कर सकें अपने घर आसपास इधर उधर जो भी पॉसिबिलिटी हो आपके लिए, उसमें आप पौधे, ख़ास तौर पे ऐसे पौधे जो तनावर दरख्त बन सकें आगे जाके, उनको ज़रूर लगाएं और उनका ख्याल भी रखें ताकि वो बड़े होके माहौलियाती तब्दीली में एक फ़र्क ला सकें और जो हमारा माहौल जिसका दर्जा हरारत काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है वो कम हो सके। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum, this is Vanya Shaukat, a fourth year medical student at Dow University of Health Sciences. Since we're talking about air pollution, I just wanted to add this one thing, that air pollution is also getting exacerbated by the major environmental changes that we are having right now, and is one of the leading causes of the respiratory disorders, mostly asthma, and that we almost all of us are suffering from. So other than that, we're also having bronchitis as well, and other respiratory issues, mostly respiratory infections as well. So one of the ways that we can reduce this kind of air pollution is by enhancing more environmental friendly energy resources and reducing emissions from the vehicles and industries, and making sure that we have more improved and enhanced environmental regulations are with us. Thank you so much.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम आसिया जाफरी एंड आई एम एन O-level student। और आज हम लोग क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में बात करेंगे। वन ऑफ इट्स इम्पैक्ट्स इज लाइक glaciers melt too fast due to the increasing heat, which is caused by climate change, which causes more water to be fed to the rivers, and it is dangerous for families who live near river banks. उनके घर वगैरह flood हो जाते हैं and they lose their livelihood and their money and everything. Now we need a solution to solve this problem. One of the solutions can be to build embankments on the sides of rivers to restrict the floods and let less water flow on the banks of the river. Another way we can stop this could be by increasing capacity in dams or building more dams to store more water to let less water flood on the banks of rivers. So you can also see in the scenery, you can see the greenery flourishing in the view, and it gives such a beautiful look to this place, which is like calming for everyone, and it's also a healthy environment to live in. So as the next generation, it is our right and it is also our job to protect this greenery and to protect our environment from getting damaged from climate change, which is caused by our actions too. Thank you so much.
Now it's time for action. Let's team up and make a positive impact together.